So we're gonna be making gnudi. So we start off with egg, and I just kind of whisk it up. We add ricotta. We're gonna add about half of this egg. Add some salt and grated grana padano. I'm just gonna pat all this together. And so gnudi means naked in Italian, and this is called gnudi because it's kind of like a naked ravioli. So what we're doing here is we're gonna take the ricotta, we put egg in there to bind it a little bit, and then once it kind of comes together, we're gonna add flour. And we're gonna add just enough flour where this will hold. And then once we see it start to stick to the side of the bowl, I'm gonna stop it. So yeah, this is pretty much just ricotta that's been seasoned a little bit. We're gonna take this, put it right into here, and cut about 1.25 inches off the bottom of the bag. So we take semolina, we dust our board with that. We're gonna take this, and you just pipe it out into a log. We cut it into little pieces of the gnudi. So then these, take semolina, we're gonna put these and bury them in here. And that's that. And so we let that sit overnight. The semolina will hydrate on the outside of the ricotta, and that's the skin. That's why it's called gnudi, is that there's no pasta on the outside of it. It's just a filling that's held together by a very thin amount of semolina on the outside of it. So to plate the dish, prepare it, we take the gnudi that we set out overnight, we drop them in boiling water. This is a butter sauce that we make with truffle juice. So once they start to float, they're done. And so we take these, we're going to put them in this butter sauce. Use the heat there. Take that. And so this is blue crab. We're going to toss some of that in. This is fresh truffle. And take this, just kind of toss all this together. So then we take our gnudi, we put them on the plate, the truffle and crab butter. This is a hot sauce that we make. Some crispy potato. Chives. A little bit of cheese just for some salt. An obscene amount of truffle.
That's the best amount of truffle.
Huh?
That's the best amount.
Yeah, it's the only acceptable amount, you know, it's like... My grandmother used to say, if you're gonna cuss, go for the gold. That's kind of how I feel about truffle. If you're gonna use it, you might as well use it, so... And then there it is. It's the dish. Gnudi, blue crab, black truffle, and hot sauce.